the channel today. We're doing kinda like a little 360 video. Make sure to subscribe to them. Big shout out to them. And let's do this. So it's pretty cool. I'm actually controlling my mouse pad. If I want to look up, I want to look down. So I'm walking on the sidewalk. It got a little laggy. And Siren Head's right there. Oh. Okay, hello. Hi. Hi. Okay. Oh, you wanna fight? Wanna fight? Oh, jeez. Take that. Okay. Oh, hey, yeah. That's right. Come back here. What? Break through it. Or jump. Go. Oh, jeez. Oh, you got his dad. You see, this is when we run. Oh,
run.
No. Oh, geez, that's not good. He's coming so fast. Thought you said this was fun.